good. There's somewhere out there. Can you try that one more time? Really kick down deep. He's anyone out there excited for DPR? Oh, I'm so excited you guys are here. I'm so pumped. And look at your beautiful faces. Oh, your majesty. I love your crown. You look lovely.
ไอเตี้ยปีนะ
Cool. I like it. Hi there. Are you guys all excited for the show? Happy? That's awesome.
That's
Oh, and you got hey. Love it.
It's a Mickey Mouse.
Oh, so many friends. Hi, everybody.
it's a me.
Patrick, let's go over here and say hi to some of our friends on this side.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Oh my goodness, is that a Jasmine costume? Yeah, is Aladdin one of your favorite movies? This is your sister. You guys are sisters, like Anna and Elsa? Yeah? No, not like Anna and Elsa. Are you here with your whole family? Yeah? Oh. Well, what are your favorite Disney characters? Minnie and Mickey Mouse? Do we have any other fans of Minnie and Mickey Mouse out there? Ooh, lots of fans. Well, perfect. This is the best place to see them.
Seriously. Oh, we have so many new friends and we've got so much to do today. You're not even gonna believe it. But Kate, I'm getting a little overwhelmed. I mean, what do you like to do when you hang out with your friends?
Oh, well, then I think I would.
for being here in this wonderful city of Long Beach.
Hey, you guys are expecting something from the show today.
Aw, gee, Russ.
Oh, how sweet!
What do you want? A gift bag.
Oh, it's a... Oh, wait, what is it?
This is your own personal tablet. We call it a mouse pad.
Oh, you're gonna love it. Since today's all about sharing special memories, we feel yours lessons with all sorts of fun ones of you two and your friends on some of your most amazing adventures.
Oh, that's so thoughtful!
Yep, it's all just a tap away. And the best part is we'll get to follow along on that big projection screen. Check it out.
How cool!
Ditto.
Plus, the mouse pad can even help you guys share your favorite memories of Mickey and Minnie too.
So, who wants to go first? Who's ready to share a memory of Mickey and Minnie?
I am. I remember it like it was yesterday. Oh, gosh. Did you want me to share it out loud?
That was the idea, Goofy.
Well, okie dokie then. It was the first time I met Mickey and Minnie.
That sounds perfect. Well then, let's just pull up the mouse 2 videos up and hold on.
I need it for you.
Man, that old TV show was really something.
Telling me, but I don't think even the Wild West would have prepared Woody to be his new best friend.
That's for sure. I mean, it can't have been easy to meet the galaxy's greatest superhero, Buzz Lightyear.
To infinity. And we
Jeez, and there are way too many to pick from.
That's alright, Mickey. We've got the whole show to figure it out. Let's just have some fun and play a quick game of
Mickey's Memory Matter.
course, this will be fun.
Alright, now I think it's Donald's turn. Sorry, Mickey. Would you help him spin the wheels? Blue take
Let me follow the leader, remember? You were supposed to be following Nemo.
I was? Well, if I was supposed to be following Nemo, where is he?
Nemo! Nemo! Oh, there you are. Let's go, Nemo. We're gonna be late for the field trip.
We're not late, Dad. Look!
Inside the institute, they get transferred to permanent things in Cleveland.
Cleveland? No, I have to get to the Jewel of Morro Bay, California and find my family.
That's this place, the Marine Life Institute. You're here. So what exhibit are you from?
Wait, I'm from an exhibit? I have to get there.
Well, there's one thing I can think of to help you get to your family. All you have to do is give me the tag.
Great idea.
You found this because you remembered in your own amazing Dory way.
I did. All by myself.
Oh, honey, have you been by yourself all these years?
Well, I haven't been all by myself. I found the best friends a fish could ask for.
Dory! Dad, it's Dory!
Dory!
could really get used to having such great family and friends.
yourself is up there on the
in particular, and I don't take people places.
You do if you want to stop this winter.
Okay then.